This is elevator 1 at the American Tobacco District Garage, North Garage in Durham, North Carolina. It's another newer Otis Gen2 newer Series 2 7. What you got? This one's also scenic, but this one is a different view because this one's on the other side of the garage. There's the bus. And you get no view again on the top here at 7. Go back down to 1. Again, there's your ADA phone. Basic stainless steel cabs. These were installed in 2017. There's Miss Cherryberry. And there's the Marriott Hotel and your view of downtown Durham, I guess. Go back 1. There goes this, and that's gonna be it.